Everything they teach you in school is a lie. You want the truth? The world is controlled by shadowy elites and shape-shifting lizard people.
I'm deciding this is okay. Oh God, this is an orgy, isn't it?
Oh, yes. Yes, it is. Oh, gavel. Give me the gavel. Give me the gavel.
This is it. It's happening.
Reagan, you're the life of this party. That's the most natural smile I've ever seen out of Mark Zuckerberg.
So the song Shake It Off was about how I shed my skin every 1,000 years. And the song Bad Blood was about how I drink blood out of my Grammys.
A toast to blood.
Save some blood for Paul Rudd.